Okay, Serlock, okay, 2503. I could try more Smith, Gambit. Try with that sort of Moropsy bind. Okay. Sort of Moropsy bind position. And it's not against Finchetta or anything, so okay. I'm playing knight f4 here. Can I provoke e5? This tempo's a bit too quick at the moment. I think I've got to slow it down somehow. But I've got a reasonable position, I think, at the moment. But I want to try and slow down the tempo. Queen f2. Think about that. b5. Can I take there without losing c3? It's got bishop a3. It's got d5 coming up. Okay, can I put pressure on the d5? It's going to play b5 though. If I take here. Is it worth taking or just maybe I should just I don't know actually. Am I getting passive already? Knight e2 to g3 to h5. Ooh, okay, some time for thinking. Okay, knight g3 to h5. Knight e5 comes up. Knight d4. Bishop b6 is maybe a useful forcing move. Right. Can I play for... Okay, knight... Bishop d4, what about bishop d4 and then f4, f5? Is that a plan? F4 and knight g4, that'd be a disaster. Okay. h3 first. So it's going to isolate this pawn. That might be horrible. And this will be weak as well. Bishop b6. Does that move? Try bishop b6. Just disrupt the rooks. Maybe bishop c5. Is that possible? Probably not. Get the queen off there, or ed. Bishop d4. Bishop d4. Okay, this f file. If I take with this, I was going to have knight g4 at the end of this. Could be quite strong. Hopefully not here that strong, because my h2 is being attacked potentially. Okay, is there a rook f1 to stop this knight moving anyway? But he's got that knight moving. Queen e3, knight g4, queen f4, queen f4, maybe. Could be an annoying move. I'm not totally sure. Knight g4, e5, e5 there. Okay. So rook f1. Is this rook too loose? Got a little bit of pressure on there. Queen has to go away, I think. Have I got rook f7, queen h7? No, that's if the knight wasn't there. Rook f7, queen h7. Okay, he's putting on the pressure here. Okay, if I unpin for a sec, let's go back here for a sec, because maybe knight f4 to h5, maybe knight h5 coming up. Knight f4, knight h5. Is knight f4 actually playable? I'm not really sure. Knight c4 could be quite... there's queen h6 there. I could risk it. I'm getting knight h5. If knight c4, queen h6, and if f6, knight g6. Okay, so knight h5 here. I think I'll sacrifice. Try and get that king weakened. It's a bit short on time. There's no knight f6. Queen f4. Queen f4. Is he going to take that knight now? Right, hopefully a little bit of compensation could come my way. Queen, check, knight g6. Queen h6, knight g6, queen h6. So queen h6, how would he defend queen h6 here? There might be e5 coming up. Queen h6 here, rook e7. It's worth... It's queen g3, knight g6. There's e5 there for bishop g6. If he takes bishop g6, I think I'll go for that. That looks pretty quick. To get e5 in for bishop g6. Oh no, hang on. He recharges both knights. Okay, at least I've got the b1 bishop loaded up here. Defending rook f2 or knight g6. We get h4 here. Hopefully with some pressure. Queen h6 if knight g6. Actually, knight g6. There's no queen f6. The bishop's on it. Right, 30 seconds. Oh, he's on g2 potentially. Queen h6 here. We'll just rook f2 for a moment. Hang on. If knight g4, that's dangerous. There is takes and then rook d7. Okay, queen h6 first. Hang on a sec. Hang on a sec. He's threatening knight g4 mating here. This doesn't work. So bishop h7 just to get the get a pawn. I don't know why did I do that. There's bishop e5 here. I'm on the rook. If I take, nope, I'm on this one. Hang on, let's just get this diagonal sorted. 21 seconds. That's bishop d5. h6. Is there a check? Okay, rook check is dangerous. Oh, close one. Whew, this is as dangerous I am. Don't know what to say. It's well, I created some pressure, I think, some tactical pressure. With the the Nge5 idea, I think. There's some weaknesses around the shop, but these knights protecting each other. Yeah, so bishop e5. I've got this d8 at the end of it, which is cool. Wanted to stop bishop c6. I just saw rook b8, bishop c6 there, so bishop there just to make sure bishop c6 ruled out. And this was looking almost like a mating net. Nearly. Get some time on the clock there and attack the bishop. Unfortunately, he's queening his pawn. That didn't work out there. Oh, okay. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.